back, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys a review video. Today I'll be reviewing the Airpods. These are the Airpod 1s or the Airpod Originals, however you guys like to say it. I'm going to be showing you how to charge them, basically just how they work, how they connect to your phone. We're going to get right into the review. And by the way, you can also use your phone charger basically, which is what comes with the package, as a charger to it. It does come with a charger, but you can use your phone charger, which is basically the same thing, and just plug it into the outlet down there, in which I have, and which I'll show you here in a minute. But anyway guys, let's get right into how it works. Okay guys, so here's the case. So you open it up and there's two AirPods in. Now these are way better than any other wireless headphone. They're way better than any of that. So they're better than what's on my computer here when I reviewed those headphones. Are way better, and I know that video kind of sucks, so just hang in there with me guys. I'm trying to learn and go as I go, you know what I mean, so I can make better review videos and how it works and stuff. So basically when you open them up, the green light will appear, and so basically you just pop one in your ear. One in my ear. I put it in the right ear. It doesn't really matter which one you go. You can put both of them in. You can even put one of them in. Whatever works for you. And I'm just gonna search up a song here. So, we could do tic-tac-toe. There we go. And you guys can't hear it, but I can. And there it plays. You can adjust the volume by pulling that down and adjusting that, and the volume's pretty high on it, so that's another good thing. So when disconnecting, now when we're speaking of disconnecting terms, as soon as you put them back in the case and close the case, it automatically disconnects, so you don't have to worry about hitting disconnect and yada yada yada. They're real nice, simple, and easy to use. I have not used the AirPod, I guess you would call AirPod Pros or AirPod 2s yet. I'm really curious to try them out. But anyways, I'm going to show you, I'm going to get my charger ready and then show you how to charge them. And I'll show you guys what I was talking about earlier. Alright guys, I dropped my AirPods. So the charging part. So now there is a little thing on the bottom of the case. So all you do is plug the charger, phone cord, whatever you had that I said would work, and you just plug it into the bottom, and then you will have the orange light come on, and that means it's charging. You get 3 hours of playback time when you charge them for 15 minutes. You get about an hour and a half worth of phone calls if you charge them for that long. But if you charge them overnight, you get way more, and they're fully charged, and you get almost unlimited battery, and it's just great. It's just, I really love these. I'm glad I got them for my birthday, which was about a couple months ago, February 2nd, so happy birthday to me. But yeah, these are when you ask the question, are they worth buying? In my opinion, they are really worth buying, and I wouldn't that's only a wireless type of thing I would actually use. So I'd really recommend buying them. They're great. Or if you have a birthday coming up and a family member gets you something, this is definitely something you would want to get or receive as a present type of thing. But anyways, the last little thing I want to point out is there's a back button in which, if you have a buddy, if you're still in school, you can connect your AirPods to their phone, and you guys can listen to the same song as well. But anyway, that's basically it for how they work. They're real simple, they're real easy, and I hope you guys love them as much as I do. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a comment, leave a like, share it on Facebook, do whatever you gotta do, but please help me out. We're at 50 subscribers now. Let's try to get to 100, then 1,000. Let's just keep doing that milestone step each day as we go, and for the future. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this review, like I said, real simple, real easy to use, love them. They're a must-have, and I'm really curious to try the AirPods 2s as soon as I get a job and get enough money. But I'm really love it. Love the AirPod 1s. if you guys have the AirPod 2s, tell me the difference. Tell me like what you love about them, if they're worth it, and then I will consider buying myself. But anyway, guys, till next time, peace out.